What's going on, everybody? My name is Joey Harrison, and today I have a special video for you. I know I said on my Instagram post that I was going to make a video about the Sony a7R III and why I chose to stay with that. And that was my first video back since forever, at least talking about, cinema and filmmaking and all that good stuff. But surprise, this isn't going to be that video, but this is my first video back. Not about cinema. So, life's been good to a degree this past year. My financials are not bad. They could be better, but so is life. And with that opportunity, I've decided to fulfill a childhood dream of starting a shoe collection. Specifically, Jordans? I mean, I have more than just Jordans, but Jordans have always been my one of my favorites. This is basically what this video is going to be about, is just Jordans. Though I have other brands. So, as you can see, I have a little bit of the shoe collection. I have more, but I'd like to actually be able for you to see me while I'm talking, or else it's going to cover everything. But today's a good day. So, I got a package today. Clearly, it's a pair of shoes, as this is where it's going. And I think this is the perfect time to do a shoe unboxing. Yeah. But, knowing me, we can't just do a shoe unboxing and talk about it. Because one, I don't know shit about shoes. I don't know. Like on the technical ends, I've watched shoe unboxings. They talk about the stitches and the leather and all that stuff. I don't know that stuff. I just like it and make sure it's authentic. So, how am I supposed to set myself apart from all these unboxing videos? We're going to do it cinematically. Let's go. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed that little cinematic sequence of the new release Jordan 12 Twists. Those are pretty icy, and I can't wait to wear them one time and then never again, because they're very white, and that terrifies me. But yeah, so totally forgot to film the outro, and so we're gonna do this vlog style. So if you like the video, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, the whole deal, and we'll see you next time, where we actually do the first video that I said I was gonna do.